Like, oh, God, it's like somebody tell us we were loose. Not me and my crew. We immortal now.
So we're just having a dance party right now, actually. I had work earlier. It's like 11 o'clock. And can you stop? All right, I'm trying to go where there isn't music and there's music everywhere. Can you pause it? Pause it now. So Pearl and I are going to Happy's right now. Yeah, Pearl was supposed to go to hot yoga this morning. And I'm exposing her. Why are you exposing me? Because I left to go to work and I assumed she'd be gone when I came home. And she was still here. But it's fine.
Surprise ever.
Yeah, I was actually really excited because now we're going to see Javi's puppies. Well, we're going to hang out with Javi, but Pearl's never seen her puppies, so Pearl's excited. Yeah. So Javi's going to be excited. I haven't told her we're vlogging yet. So let's go to hers now.
Well, perhaps I don't need to be close to my brother to have that good.
I'm listening to the subtle art of, what is it? The subtle art of not giving a fuck, and it's actually really good. So yeah. Hello. Puppy. I know. Oh, Otis, we'll give you attention too. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh my. You're shooting. This is actually the best thing I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Happy. Come with me. I've never formally introduced you. This is Abby.
I am Abby Paradise. Nice to meet you.
Okay. And Abby and I have been friends since we were 3. Insert a picture of us when we were 3 now. So we just went to Sweet Peas and we got lunch, and the lady is so nice. I got like this cinnamon thing and she gave me 2 instead of 1 because she's just the nicest person ever. So spread kindness. That's what happens when you're nice to people. So, yeah.
You're the cutest. Look at its paw. Okay. It was nice seeing you.
Hello. So it's much later. I finished work. I have my makeup on and my dress, and I'm gonna put my heels on. I like feel so girly and I love it. I'm going to Abby's surprise party right now. Hey everyone, we're surprising Abby for her birthday tonight, but she's actually upstairs right now, so, and also, are you ready? Yeah. So, I actually rode in Lucy's dad's Tesla, and it was my first time ever being in a Tesla.
Hey guys, we're about to do the best friend does my makeup tag slash.
Hey guys,
that's not what it was.
Okay, so if we had things my way, I'd actually, if I had things my way, I'd actually be doing it with my best friend, but Maggie.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Oh, thanks.
Do you want one?
Oh, so where did you guys first kiss?
So, oh wait, no, I know this. It was on the monkey cages in 6th grade. Everyone thinks it was Romano, but it was actually me up there.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, so Lucy doesn't know this right now, but we literally just took over her vlog. So from here on out, the video is going to be Bella Coupe vlogs and Katie Gallagher vlogs, but mostly Bella Coupe vlogs.
How can you see them?
Okay, first things first, we're gonna be doing what's in my purse tag. I don't have a purse with me, so we're gonna do
What's in my boobs?
We're gonna do the what's in my dress tag. Sure. First thing that I always keep in my dress is a glass because you never know what type of adventure you're gonna run into. I love it. I got it off Amazon. I swear by it. It is my favorite glass ever. It's literally my chalice. All right, my producer is gonna grab the. So next off, that's the girl who we hacked.
No, Abby went home and she was ready.
Second of all, go up and then go down once I pull it out. Second of all, I always keep some Mardi Gras pearls / beads. I think it's a really fun twist on Mardi Gras beads. However, make sure it's focused on me. This wouldn't be a Lucy Masson vlog if you didn't get your focus. Anyways, the third thing I like to keep is actually this really elegant candle. I got it at Anthropology. Stop zooming in on my body. This is the third thing. I actually got it from Anthropology, and Anthropology doesn't necessarily have many ethnic customers. Not really a shot at Anthropology, but they don't. So they were actually very shocked when I came. No, it's cultural appropriation. It shows that you hang out with whatever. I love to keep is in my thing. I keep actually my diamond wedding ring. But who are you looking at? I know in the news all the buzz lately has been how big Cardi B's rock is. Hey, up here, my face is here. Up here, thank you. I know all the buzz has been about Cardi B's ring with Offset. Was she dating Quavo or Offset? Cardi B is currently shaking in her boots.
We are running out of battery, so we're just gonna follow Lucy around.
Don't get this.
What is she up to? Behind the scenes.
Hey guys. Hey YouTube. This is our code.
The only thing I know how to do on this camera is zoom in, so I really like to zoom in on people's faces.
Good.
Get one of me behind them, like going in.
I think she thought it would be a lot cooler.
Yeah, I
than
think
us.
so too.
Alright, anyways, what are you guys up to over here?
We're just getting that Instagram.
Okay. So people take photos in and look amazing. Always.
I just made it. Oh my god, Abby, how do you look like your mom? I'm a mom, okay? Happy birthday, dear Abby. Happy birthday to
you. Me, got it out the mud, they respect that. Me, always spread the love when I get back. You got your hand out, that's a bitch move. You always complaining like a bitch do me.